All right, so you had a credit card with a balance on it, you cut it up and you moved, and you owed $200 on it. The interest rate's 20% compounded yearly. Thankfully, there are no late fees, otherwise we would have to add more horrible things in here. How much do we owe after 5 years?
$497.
$497?
And
0.664.
How did you do that? So what was your thought?
200 times
Okay, so you did 200 times
1.2 to the power of
1.2 raised to 5. Cool.
I guess that's true.
What? Okay, and you got 497? Okay, does that make sense? It's more than doubled in 5 years?
Yeah.
If it was simple interest, right, at 20%,
Would have got you to 400.
it would have doubled, right? You see that? Because
You're like overly excited.
that would be 20% increases, right? Which is a 100% increase. So of course this should more than double. It probably shouldn't triple because it's not that long, right? You guys see that? So you might want to think about that, like when you get one of these answers, think to yourself, okay, this is like, how much is this compared to that? In this case, I'd be looking at it and say, okay, it's a little more than double, but less than triple. Does that make sense in terms of my interest rate? Yeah, this one seems to drive. That will help for things like, what did you do?
I did that. I got that.
What was your initial thing though? Because you already, at the beginning you came up with 1,000, didn't you?
Oh, I accidentally didn't press the,
Yeah, this thing was down here, right? Yeah, so if you get these like numbers that seem a little bit large, it bears a little checking and then I'm like, oh, whoops, forgot to hit the caret. Or I hit the caret and it didn't take, or I hit the decimal and it didn't take, or something. Cool?